Hello, Success Journey Day 18, and I would love to share with you about doing the small things which matters a lot when it comes to building that network, building that relationship. A story that I would always love to share is about a friend of mine whom he actually took that extra effort and built up a lot of connection. An example that I would love to share with you is when he see this famous motivational speaker coming to my country to speak, what he did was he actually typed an email and he offered him to offered him all the transportation. He offered him to send him around, chauffeur him around, and then also show him all the tourist location in our country. And because of this, he managed to forge a great relationship from him. And from that, he told me about how he learned so much through the conversation he has with him in the car, and then about how later on he actually got an offer from the motivational speaker asking him, my friend, to attend the motivational speaker seminar organized in our country. And my friend, these are the minor things which matter a lot when it comes to building up your network and building up your relationship. You know, when you are doing all these kind of things, if you are doing it sincerely, asking for nothing in return, this is when you are going to see the law of reciprocity working in action, which means that other individual is also trying to give back to you what you have given to him as well. And this can be seen in many different kind of ways. And one thing to clarify here is though, you would really need to do it in a sincere manner. There's something really unique with our physiology, our body, that if you were to do something that is kind of like with wanting something back, our body is going to show it. Our physiology, it is going to be different, and we are going to appear to be a lot more insincere. So when you are doing all these kind of things, building up network, always remember to put in values to others instead of trying to get something back from that individual. And another story I would love to share with you is the story of myself, where it was the first Toastmaster meeting I went, and I saw this really great speaker. He is kind of like quite an old man here, an elderly man who is really experienced in speaking. I asked for his advice, and then I asked him if he could have a tea with me so that we could have a longer talk and I could interview him for my project as well. And he said yes. And you know, from that point onwards, from that single connection I have, he asked me to join his Toastmaster meeting. And from that point onward, I meet more and more people. And you know, the first story where I share with you, that friend of mine, he was also known through this man, this elderly man whom I bothered to take the extra step asking for the interview with him. So I would really just want you to remember that if it is possible, if you see someone who is worth connecting, someone who you can learn from, take that extra step. Take the extra steps, ask them if they are free, or give them a little bit more value, sincerely giving them value, and hope to learn from them and hope to actually make a connection, make friends with them. These are all the things that really is going to build up our network, and it's going to matter a lot in our future. So that's all I would love to share with you today. I hope you will have a great day ahead, and once again, dream on.